And all eyes are on Irma, which is proving to be a very big and strong hurricane.
It is indeed, Eric. Only about 6 other Atlantic hurricanes have made it to the strength that Irma is right now. It has 180-mile-per-hour winds again. And here is the latest information from the National Hurricane Center. As far as the 10 o'clock advisory, we'll have another one coming up in about an hour. Winds at 180 miles per hour, moving west at 14 miles per hour. And pressure is at 931 millibars. And notice that it is getting close now, within a couple of hundred miles for the center of the storm outside of those Leeward Islands. So here it is on satellite high definition imagery. This has been a very impressive storm to watch on satellite. A good structure here, a very defined wall, eye wall, as you can see, and it is continuing off to the west right now with that pressure still fairly low. As you can see, it will continue possibly as a strong Category 5 storm for the next couple of days, with really nothing out there to hinder its strength perhaps in the next couple of days. So the National Hurricane Center calls for 4s and 5s for the categories, really for the remainder of the 5-day forecast. That could change a little bit, of course. Notice that the path takes it out to the west and then west-northwest, and then there is that slightly more northward turn that you're beginning to see. Notice that that last point, that's as far out as the forecast goes from the National Hurricane Center right now. Notice that that is on Sunday morning. So impacts for Florida this weekend are likely, and indeed on Saturday and Sunday, that will really be an issue for Florida. We are still expecting that turn to the north, and I know all eyes are on that turn. A lot of people wondering when it will happen and where it will happen. Exact location and timing of that is going to depend on the next couple of days as we continue to kind of see our weather pattern take shape and continue to see Irma's progress as it continues out to the west-northwest. Coming up in a few minutes, I'll be back. I will track Tropical Storm Jose, which is also out there behind Irma, and we'll also talk about our local weather, which is actually looking quite nice for the rest of this week. Eric.